Guys, so we're gonna be playing Monkey Lab Horror. Oh, this is in the game Monkey Labs with Blue Iguana. I'll put his channel on the screen right here. And we're gonna be playing horror. Oh, try to beat it. Oh my god.
Hey,
He has a hat.
on.
He has a hat on.
Why
He's
does he
right
have
there,
a
bro.
hat on? No, he's not.
Actually, it scared me.
You're flopping. Imagine me in front. Could be me.
Don't.
If he comes near me, I'm shrinking down the floor. You ran towards him.
Oh my god, that scared me so bad. Oh my god. That scared me so. Gotta step back. We gotta step back. Step back. Step back, bro. You're ugly. Alright, step back. Step back. Oh, he's so small. I'm gonna shoot him with my gun. Run into that wall. Run into the wall. Run into the wall. Run into the wall.
I already died like 7 times. Maybe.
What the, I'm stuck. Never mind. Where are you, bro? Where did you?
I died.
Oh, you died. What the heck was that?
Go!
Oh. Yes. That scared me. I don't know. We did it! We did it! We did it!
Come on!
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Come on! Bro, it's like a credit card. Where are you?
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Go fast, he's coming. Bro, it just takes me 1 mile. There's room for 4.
Shh.
He's pretty scary, to be honest.
Actually, I died.
I'm so scared. He disappeared.
No, bro, I'm a Walmart, bro.
I made it. Tiny. Tiny. Tiny, where are you?
Where are you?
I made it.
You already made it? Help me. Oh, you already. Oh, I can.
Come on, come on. But
Sorry for
I'm gonna race you. Alright, go. Go to the app.
Bro, you're big. You're way faster than me, bro.
You're so slow, Tiny. You slow.
Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap up because this video might be too long. I'm gonna probably do a part 2 about this. Hey guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I don't want it to be too long because I don't want it to be like the big scary video. You know how it was 20 minutes long? Yeah, that's pretty long. That's what she said.
Bye, guys.
Alright, bye guys.